Okay guys, welcome to Seattle. You know you're Seattle when you're here at the public marketplace and with the Starbucks at the Pike place. Okay guys, we are here in the Starbucks, original Starbucks location here in the Pike Place Market in downtown Seattle. So I'm here just to grab the special edition Starbucks Pike Marketplace mug. So here we are. Okay guys, this is the inside of the Starbucks original store in Pike Place Market, Seattle. And they have their own separate line for the mugs. So they have like special edition mugs and tumblers here. And actually I get this too here. So excited. This is one of my favorite stores in Seattle. The Beecher's cheese. And they're open. You can get a sandwich and different type of cheese. They're really good. You just think about buying cheese for to go for souvenir. Oh, it smells so good here, you guys. You can buy their famous cheese here in store, and the mac and cheese kit and the sample. All the different cheeses. That's the menu there. Hey guys, so we are currently in the Centennial Park here in Seattle, Washington. So Remy really wanted to come to this park so that he can fly his drone. There's like a ferry terminal up there, and then it's just a nice place to chill and all that. And after this, we're gonna drive to Mount Rainier, and then after we're gonna head to Portland. Alrighty.
I mean, there's an airplane flying above us.
Yeah,
so
that we saw.
that's a good idea. Yeah, I didn't realize that, but the map is green to fly, so I don't know.
We saw like 2 airplanes so far and the helicopter. So. You can't fly a drone here. Just put it down. Saw the plane right there. Oh my god. Hey guys, so right now we are starting our first national park adventure here in the state of Washington. So right now we are heading to Mount Rainier National Park. So it's about like 1.5 hours from Seattle. So this is gonna be our first stop of the many national parks we are planning on visiting. So just excited to start crossing off that list. Alright guys, so here we are at the Mount Rainier National Park. So unfortunately the road was damaged. Probably there's like a mudslide or something, as you can tell over there. Let me just zoom in real quick. Crazy, right? So yeah, the road's closed. So it's, you know, it's basically almost by the visitor entrance. But here we are. So many evergreen trees. Wow, that's insane though. I guess this is it. And those clouds on top of the mountains reminds me of the Twilight movie. Well, guess we can take a peek here. Check this one out, guys. You can see the trees. They're pretty tall and they just topple due to mudslide. Wow, look at that. Well, otherwise it's beautiful and pretty here. Right, but you can see here, guys, like you can see the cracks on the road. Alright guys, here we are inside the Mount Rainier National Park. This is at the Rainforest Loop Trail, a rare inland temperate rainforest. Interesting. It's only a quarter mile. Really gorgeous. And then this is where you pay the national park fee, but we have the annual pass. And it looks like there are reports of black bears in this area. Uh-oh. Now you can pick up the brochure here because I don't see any ranger station. So if you encounter any animal, do not run. Slowly back away. And in case of earthquake, go to the higher ground. And yeah, this is it. Alright guys, so I'm just doing about like quarter mile loop, 15 minutes tops. But this forest is so magical. Just everything's so luscious and beautiful. But a rule of thumb, don't go here when it's dark. So I'm gonna go check out the other side. It is really a magical, beautiful forest over here. Scary part, there's no one here. Guys, behind me is just a small stream. It's just so peaceful here. I feel like I can do all day yoga here. But it's pretty chilly today. Actually, the weather has been like in the like high 50s, low 60s here in Seattle. And today's June 30th, 2020. It's kind of weird, right? But yeah, that's the end of my loop. Walking back to the car now. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Follow us on the next adventure.